Welcome to Bombela Fanatics, and I'm your host, Limpo Mogala. Today I'm in Bombela Stadium to witness a petrol premiership clash between TS Galaxy and Mamelodi Sundowns. Again, Massachusetts just control the scoreline of 3-2. Nyalo nema Pagani! Orlando Pirates ingayiwina le league ngoba sekusikhathi ukuthi igcine kuqala kuyiwina Nduna. Bajabula kakhulu mfethu. Ngibonile no coach ujabula ukusitshela ukuthi hey bese singayimele mara nami seyisimela nyali lakithi phela manje. Sekuyithi ngamandla ukuthi senze njalo. Kodwa kwa sports emgcibelo sayithatha. Nduna yami uwendile emsebenzi nangu sithi yesigalaxy uwendile emsebenzi la umusha njengoba bacelile Nduna yami mselelo 2 ma game to go Durban City home mselene Orbit College sengayiconfirm ngivenue nayo yabona igame yethoki sure Orbit College sifaka abafana abancane basilule kuphela thina ngomgcibelo sayithatha mfethu Nduna yami uma bengabuza ngale 2 games bese ngale 2 ma games bese Nduna yami do believe ukuthi kuwina ili exactly mfethu akhulu lapho ngazi ukuthi phela umgcibelo sayithatha siwanayo sebo kakhulu uKaizer Chiefs sebo TS Galaxy basenzele umsebenzi sebo kakhulu senzile umsebenzi thina imbo 5 yeah we are all the parents